नियतं कुरु कर्मा त्वं कर्म ज्ययो ह्यकर्मणः शरीर्यत्रापि च तेन प्रसिद्धेदा कर्मणः.
Perform your allotted duties, for action is superior to inaction. By desisting from all actions, you cannot even maintain your body.
मोघ समोघ कर्मणो मोघ ज्ञानाविचेत्सा राक्षसीमासुरीं चैव प्रकृतिं मोहिनीं श्रिता.
Misguided persons with false hope of paradise, with destructive action and fruitless rituals, do embrace a fiendish and delusive nature.
यान्ति देवव्रता देवप्नी त्रिण्यान्ति पितृव्रतः भूतानि यान्ति भूतेज्या यान्ति मद्याजिनोऽपि मा.
Those who are vowed to God go to gods. Those who adore the Spirit reach the Spirit. Those who worship Him comes to Him alone.
या सर्वनाभिस्नेहास् तत्तत्प्राप्य शुभाशुभम् नाभिनन्दति नाद्यष्टि तस्य प्रज्ञा प्रतिष्ठता.
He who is unattached to anything and while meeting with the good or evil neither rejoices nor recoils. His mind is stable.
क्रोधाद्वती सम्मोहो सम्मोहात् स्मृतिविभ्रमः स्मृतिभ्रंशाद् बुद्धिनाशो बुद्धिनाशात् प्रणश्यति.
From anger arises infatuation. From infatuation, confusion of memory. From confusion of memory, loss of reason. And from loss of reason, one goes to complete ruin.
न कर्मणं मनरम्भा नैष्कर्मं पुरुषतृषे नाचासन्न्यसनदे सत्यं समधिगच्छति.
Man does not attain freedom from action without entering upon action, nor does he reach perfection merely by ceasing to act.
नाहि कश्चित् क्षणमपि जातु तिष्ठत्यकर्मकृत् कार्यते ह्यवशः कर्म सर्वः प्रकृतिजरगुणः.
Surely none can ever remain inactive even for a moment, for everyone is helplessly driven to action by natural qualities.
तस्मदसक्त सततं कर्जं कर्म समाचर असक्तयचरन् कर्म परमप्रोति पुरुषा.
Go on efficiently doing your duty without attachment. Doing work without attachment, one attains the Ishvara.
या इमं परमं गुच्छं मद्भक्तेष्टविध्यासति भक्तिं मयि परां कृत्वा मामे वैश्वत संशयः.
He who, offering the highest love to Ishvara, preaches the most profound gospel of the scripture among public shall go to heaven. There is no doubt about it.
चतुर्वर्णं मया सृष्टं गुणकर्म विवहसा तस्य कर्तर्मपि मम विद्यकर्तरम् अभ्यायम्.
The four orders of society are dominant according to the predominant qualities and involvement in corresponding duties, and is created through humans like us. The immortal Lord is not involved.
श्रेयान् स्वधर्मा विगुणः परधर्मात् स्वानुष्ठितात्. स्वधर्मे निधनं श्रेयः परधर्मो भयावहः.
One's own duty, though devoid of merit, is preferable to the duty of another well performed. Even death in the performance of one's duty brings blessedness. Another duty is fraught with fear.
संन्यास कर्म योगश्च निःश्रेयसकारवुभौ तायोस्तु कर्म संन्यासात् कर्म योगो विशिष्टते.
The yoga of knowledge and the yoga of action both lead to supreme bliss. Of the two, however, the yoga of action, being easier to practice, is superior to yoga of knowledge.
श्रेयान् स्वधर्मा विगुणः परधर्मात् स्वानुष्ठितात्. स्वधर्मे निधनं श्रेयः परधर्मो भयावहः.
It is the ignorant, not the wise, who says that Sankhya Yoga and Karma Yoga lead to different results. For one who is firmly established in either gets the fruit of both, which is same, that is the God realization.
नियतं सङ्गरहितम् अर्हद्वेषतकृतम् अफलप्रेप्सुन कर्मजा तत्सद्विकम् उच्यते.
That action which is ordained by the scripture and is not accompanied by the sense of doership and has been done without any partiality or prejudice by one who seeks no return is called Sattvika.
रागी कर्मफला प्रेप्सुर्लुब्धो हिंसात्मको शुचिः हर्षशोकान्वितः कर्ता राजसः परिकीर्तितः.
The doer who is full of attachment seeks the fruit of action and is greedy, and who is oppressed by the nature and of impure conduct is affected by joy and sorrow is to be avoided, as he is Rajashika.
जता प्रभृतिर्भूतानां जना सर्वमिदं ततं स्वकर्मणतम्भ्याचर्या सिद्धिं विन्दति मनभा।
Man attains the highest perfection by worshipping Ishvara alone, along with his own natural duties. From him, the tide of creation has streamed forth, and by him, all this universe is pervaded.
कर्मेन्द्रियाणि संयम्य यास्ते मनसा स्मरन् इन्द्रियार्थान् विमूढात्मा मिथ्याचारः स उच्यते।
He who outwardly restrains the organ of senses and action, sits mentally dwelling on the object of senses, that man of deluded intellect is a hypocrite.
अधिष्ठानं तथा कर्ता कारणं च पृथगिदं विविधश्च पृथक् चेष्टा दैवं चैवर्त्र पञ्चमम्।
The following are the factors operating towards the accomplishment of actions. That is the time and the sincerity of action, the different methods adopted, conglomeration of other forces, and the will of Ishvara.
यज्ञदानतपः कर्म न त्यज्यं कार्यमेव तत् यज्ञोदानं तपश्चैव पावनानि मनीषिणाम्.
Acts of sacrifice, charity, and penance may be performed as sacrifice, charity, and penance are true love of Ishvara. These are purifier of wise men.
दुःखं नित्येव यत्कर्म कायाक्लेशभयात् त्यजेत् सा कृत्वा राजसं त्यगं नैव त्यागफलं लभेत्।
Should anyone do renunciation for fear of physical discomfort, practicing such form of renunciation is rajasika, which reaps no fruit of renunciation.
नाहि देहभृता शक्ययं त्ययुक्तं कर्माण्यशेषतः यस्तु कर्मफलत्यागी स त्यागीत्यभिधीयते.
All actions cannot be given up in their entirety by anyone possessing a body. He alone who renounces the fruit of action is called man of renunciation.
ईदं तेन तपस्कया न भक्ताया कदाचन न च शुश्रूषवे वाच्यं न च मम योऽभ्यसूयति।
The secret gospel of the Gita should never be imparted to the man who lacks penance, not to him who is wanting in devotion, nor even to him who lends not a willing ear, and in no case to him who finds fault with Ishvara.
अश्रद्धानः पुरुषा धर्माशास्य परन्तप अप्राप्यमं निर्वर्तन्ते मृत्यु संसार वर्तम्नि.
People having no faith in his religion will fail to understand Ishvara. And whatever may be the aspiration, they will revolve in the path of despair and death.
क्लैबम् अस्मागमपर्था नैतद्वायुपपद्यते क्षुद्रं हृदया दौर्बलम् त्यक्तोत्तिष्ठ परन्तप.
Yield not to unmanliness. Shake off this cowardice, faint-heartedness. Stand up, you scorcher of enemies.